This video is to give you instructions for the junk car project, which will be a major grade. I thought I had uploaded the instructions yesterday, but they didn't work, so they're up there now. In case you saw the post on Google Classroom, you can click here and get the instructions. And so what you're going to be doing is you're going to build a car out of junk, trash, recycled materials. The idea is that you use things you can just find lying around that were not originally for a car or um, toy car or something like that. Um, you can use anything. You can use string, straws, popsicle sticks, milk carton, tissue box, toilet paper roll, McDonald's styrofoam cup, stuff like that. Um, and you cannot use anything like Legos or wheels from a toy car or anything that was originally, its original intention was for a toy car, model car, anything like that, or other type of toy vehicle. And so your car must propel itself along the floor. We're not going to roll it down a ramp or anything. You're going to set it on the floor and let it go, and it will propel itself. You can't push it. You can't use ramps. You can't use chemicals. You can't use compressed gases. It has to be done through mechanical means. Face-to-face students, you will test yours in the hallway at school, and virtual students, you obviously will test yours at home, and you just need to record a video showing that it went 2 meters. This is a major grade. 50 points will be on the construction and testing the performance of your car. Um, bonus points will go for the greatest speed, so you will have to calculate your speed, the greatest distance, and the most creative. All students must calculate the speed of their car, and you know how to calculate speed, distance divided by time. I would recommend taking multiple trials if you can and getting an average speed, or actually just the greatest of the trials. The other 50 points will come from a presentation of your own choosing, however you want to present it. It doesn't have to be elaborate. It doesn't have to take a long time, but I want you to show your progress in making and testing your junk car. Show what you tried to begin with, what did you change, include your thoughts about it, ideas for how you could improve it, and then show us how your car performed and what your speed is and what factors affected how fast your car went. The idea is to make it a fun project. It should not take you days and days. You should be able to get this done in a relatively short amount of time. I will caution you about one model that you're going to see on the internet. Normally, I don't give students this piece of advice, but I'm going to tell you because we're going to try to do this in a very short amount of time. The um, the car that you see online with a water bottle and a propeller from the plastic from the water bottle, it usually does not work in person when you try it. As many times as you watch that video and you see it actually work, I've never had a student get it to work. So please don't take that as a challenge that you're going to try to get it to work, since I said that I've never had a student get it to work, because it's going to take a lot of your time. And I'm sure that you can make it work, but we've just never had any success with it. And I don't want you wasting your time on something that's not going to work. So when you finish, everything should be in your presentation, and you can drop it in the assignment here for on Google Classroom. If you have any questions, email me. And this should be turned in by November 5th. The sooner you get it turned in, the better. But by November 5th, so that I can grade it and get it in this 9 weeks. So you have another major grade. If you have any questions, let me know. Have fun.